Hello, this is a really quick tutorial on how to complete the capture on Lua. Capture, I say it every time. Rescue on Lua. There is the rescue mission here. Take me a second to find it. Now, it confuses some people, me included to begin with, because in the rescue room there is 4 consoles. And I'm sure most of the player base thought you had to hack them in a certain order in order to free the hostage. That's actually not the case. It's actually so much easier. And I feel like an absolute idiot for taking as long as I did to figure this out. But I thought I'd make this tutorial just in case anyone else was confused about it and wasn't quite sure. This is what it's here for. No point in being scared to ask, so we will run to the room. It doesn't really matter which character you take as long as you're somewhat good at hacking or have ciphers. All you gotta do is make it into the hostage room first,
are a link between this place and secure vaults across the system.
which
Orkin
is
Security has trapped our agent in
around here. Up here. Here we go. So, first console here. Hack this baby. Wait for this stuff to open it. And then from here, you simply want to. You see, oh, there's 5 consoles. So you want to just hack a console.
One of them has to lead to our agent.
Now you listen for someone shouting through the portal. So you didn't hear anything. So you move on to the next one. Didn't hear anything, so you move on to the next one. There you go, so you hear them say Tenno in here. So at that point, you just jump through the portal, there they are, jump back through, and then it's just run to the end. It's so simple. The amount of people I've seen hack console after console after console and not understand what they need to do. I mean, I was one of them, I can't say anything, but it's Warframe for you. They don't explain anything, do they? So, just a quick, small tutorial on Lua Rescue mission. It's nothing crazy. It's just there for anyone that isn't quite sure on how to do it and needs a bit of a hand. But that's it. That is everything you need to know for that. Hopefully you learned something, and I will see you in the next one.